Want your face, brand, and contact information automatically placed on every single one of your listing sites? It only takes 5 minutes. Here's how. Agents, we just talked about using your branded HDPhotoHub links to build authority. Now let's talk about the secret engine that makes those branded links so powerful, your agent profile. This isn't just an About Me section you fill out once and forget. Think of it as the command center for your personal brand across every single property story that I help you tell. The more detail you add here, your professional headshot, logo, contact information, biography, the more the system can promote it. It automatically pulls this information into flyers, social posts, and right onto those beautiful listing sites. You set it up once, and it works for you forever. Before I show you the exact steps in the screen recording, remember this. A complete profile doesn't just look professional, it makes you the undeniable hero of every property's story. Let's get you set up. To set up your agent profile, we are going to start from the dashboard on our site, and you'll go to the top 3 lines on the right-hand side. Now, this may be easier for you to do from a desktop computer, to which point it would still be on the upper right-hand side for you to click and go to Account. I encourage you to fill out as many fields as possible. The more information that's on here, the more information is going to show up on the personalized marketing items, like the website, the flyers, etc. So as you can see, right off the bat, you'll have some basic information entered in from me for your media delivery. So your phone number, your email, and your name are obviously going to be already populated in there for you. And the rest is fairly user-friendly and kind of easy to walk through. So your job title, position, license number, any other email addresses that you would want information sent to. Your personal website, should you have one, and then if you have an inventory URL somewhere where you have all of your listings compiled, that URL would go there. Your billing address isn't necessarily something that you should worry about. For my photo packages, since all the marketing materials are already included, there's nothing billed to you, and this address won't be listed anywhere. It's just literally for billing, so you don't have to worry about that unless you want to. And then as many social media links as you have for your own personal promotion. Now, this is where it might be a little bit easier for you to do this on your desktop computer, because you're going to need to upload a couple of things. So you will have your profile photo, and in addition to a regular photo, you want a PNG. So that is just you, your silhouette, with a clear background. And then you will want your logos in both vertical and horizontal. Now let's go ahead and upload our different photos we're going to have here. So first we're going to click on the solid background profile JPEG and go in and select which photo we would like to use. So we'll do that one. It will load in there for us. And we will also load in our JPEG. Notice how the background has been removed from this one. Now, if you are not familiar with how to do this, just Googling really quick how to do it from your desktop device. You can always reach out to me to do it. Canva is a free tool that I believe you don't need the pro membership in order to remove backgrounds on your photo. So that could be a good tool to try as well. Going down just a little bit, you're going to be asked to put in your logo in 2 different directions. So we will go with this one, which is our up and down, and then our horizontal. Underneath your profile picture and logos, you're going to see a couple of options you have for default design and flyer. This is where you can choose when your site is live, what the design looks like. It's automatically populated to be Nova Black. This is a little tricky because in order to preview these, you actually have to select it, save, and then go back into an activated site to see it. So it's a little bit clunky, which is why most of my clients just leave it as the default Nova Black. And then you can choose a default flyer. So all of these sites have automatically a flyer attached to them, but you can choose which one automatically loads for you every time. And then default thumbnail image. This is where we shared our property on Facebook, and we went into our marketing kit and we decided which template we wanted to use as that thumbnail image to be shared. If you set this as a default, then you don't have to go back in every time and change that. So as soon as you figure out a template that you like, you can select one of these. Let's say I'm going to do this one. Now, if you're like, well, what does that mean? Again, it's kind of a tricky back and forth situation. You can't preview it here. You would have to go into the marketing kit in one of your active listings. So initially, it might be best to go into your marketing kit, select the default that you want, and either jot down the name of what it is and go back into your default, or just do it every time. It's not that difficult to hop back and forth. Okay, so there you go. You've entered in all of your information. You've uploaded your profile picture. You've chosen your logos, and you want to go down here to save updates. We're going to go into sites, select the site that we have been working on, and hit the eyeball up at the top to preview it. And you will see now that my information pops up because it is auto-populated based on the information I put in on the agent profile. Okay, so this is where your name is going to come up, your phone number, maybe your license number or title will come up here as well, depending on the template you have selected, all of your social media links over there on the right-hand side as well. And that's it. See how your headshot, logo, and info are now seamlessly integrated? You're not just attached to the listing. You're presented as a local expert guiding the home journey. Every time a buyer or seller visits one of your branded sites, now they see you. They connect a face and a brand to this incredible property. It builds instant trust and recognition right in your local area. By investing these few extra minutes in your profile, you're ensuring that every piece of marketing material, every angle we capture, honestly tells your story too. Pause this video right now and go log into HDPhotoHub. Don't put it off. Fill out every single field. Then save this video so you can reference it again or share it with your team, because this one step changes the entire game.